welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a clean and declutter with me video. So this video is inspired by Konmari. I have actually owned her book for about 3 years now. It's the life-changing magic of tidying up, and basically what the Konmari method is that you're going to go ahead and declutter and organize your house, and the things that you're going to declutter are finding the physical items that do not bring you joy anymore. Usually she likes to separate items that you declutter throughout your house in sections, like all of the paper in your house, go through that, all of the clothes in your house, go through that, and so on. But since I promised you guys that I was going to do a kitchen declutter next for my video, I'm gonna go ahead and do that video and just declutter it and find what brings us joy, things that we use, we don't use, stuff like that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with my summer cabinet, or activities cabinet is kind of what we call it here. And this is how it looks. Oh, you guys can't really see. Let me turn up the brightness. This is how it looks right now. You guys know I like to kind of keep it organized. There's a lot of like summer fun stuff, but then paints and Play-Doh. Here, I mean, that's just craziness here. I don't even know. We haven't touched most of this. Random stuff, not organized. You guys are going to really see the insides. I mean, this is obviously Isaiah emptied the dishwasher and just threw everything back in there. Yeah, so this is a lot of like fall decor, board games that we play, random stuff. Okay, so this is just dirty. Like, it has toaster crumbs and it's unorganized. Half of my cleaning supplies, a lot of the other cleaning supplies are upstairs in the laundry room. Oh, you guys are gonna love this. I don't even know what this cupboard is considered. Old license plates and rags we don't even use. This is Remy's little area here, and it's a mess. Junk. This is supposed to be like my essential oil area. Guys, so don't mind my voice. My throat is sore, so I sound a little sick. So what I'm doing here is taking out everything from my cupboards and drawers. What Konmari wants you to do is she wants you to literally put everything out on the floor and everything out on the counter so you can actually see the clutter that you have. The next thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and sort everything into different categories. I tried to do that the best that I could. I guess my mission was just getting everything out onto the floor.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kind of crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. about you. It must be in the way
the number one thing that you're going to want to do is toss out any like broken items, or go ahead and donate anything that you have duplicates of. That is what she wants you to do.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
So the next thing Konmari wants you to do is to go ahead and decide on which items that you haven't touched in over a year. So she wants you to donate those, get rid of them. And there are a couple of things that I did hang on to that I obviously don't touch at all, and it's more like the fine china that I got as a gift from family, and for me, I don't want to toss them out. They do bring joy to me because they are gifts from my loved ones, and that they're like gifts overseas from different countries. So even though I haven't touched them in a year, I still am going to keep those, and that's just a personal choice for me. So another thing is I didn't get around to my Tupperware. I am going to be doing my Tupperware along with my pantry decluttering. My pantry is just a huge mess, and I knew it was going to take a very long time. So I'm going to go ahead and add my Tupperware declutter with that in the same video.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
All right, you guys, so I'm all done. It's been a very long day. I've been doing this probably for about 5 hours, and then this last hour, hubby came in and started helping because he was just like, oh no, you need to wrap it up. All right, so first I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the things we're throwing away. All of these boxes were just like empty boxes. We have about 3 garbage bags full of stuff, and then that little like Dollar Tree bag, and it's just all trash here. So a lot of trash came from all of these cupboards and drawers and everything. And then we have this stuff over here that is going to donation. Just like a lot of random things, a little bit in the bag here. And yeah, some pots and pans. We have a little pile over here. This is all kind of like a put away pile. So some of this goes, like the paper goes in the office. Some things we're gonna go ahead and like put in our room or put away. We'll go ahead and start here. You guys saw that this is where I kept all of our like protein powders and everything, or like workout stuff, but instead we just moved it to the top here. There's like nothing up here. And then this is all of our medicine, you guys. I mean, we just have, all of this is mostly vitamins. And then this is like ibuprofen, Tylenol, just like very little like medicine, which is what I like. And then down here, you guys seen that this was a mess. Oh yeah, and it's getting dark, so that's why we really had to hurry up. We're losing sun. So anyway, this is like a lot of random things for the kitchen, just like some little wax things. I don't really use these anymore, and I think that I don't like that they're not like green and natural and non-toxic, so I'm actually going to throw these away. Okay, so then, you know, just like your candle lighter, some little tools, flashlight, scissors, and batteries, more wax. These actually are soy wax, so I'll keep those. And then some SD cards we found, which are good because we were like losing them. We have some we have some pumpkin spice latte, just some random stuff. So in here, this place is clear. The papers that we are going to keep, they went upstairs. And then these are like bills and things that we kind of need like now or this week. And then things that we can like put away and file away already went upstairs. This is where we had all of those empty boxes, some Christmas stuff that I went ahead and put in a Christmas box. And then this is Remy's little section here, except for his dog food bowl is in there. I mean, his dog food is in the pantry because it's just in a big container. But this is like all of his little things that he needs, all of his goodies. So honestly, what I want to do is get rid of all of these coffee mugs, besides like ones that mean something to us, which is only a couple. I want to get rid of the coffee mugs, and then we have some glasses in our dishwasher. But I want to get like an all new glasses and all new coffee mugs, but just like a 6-pack or something like that, 6 or 8-pack or something, but where they're all matching. And then some of the dishes we use. I really need new dishes, guys, so don't hate. I already know. And then my cleaning area, I put all of the hand soap and dish soap refill bags there. All of the multi-surface cleaners back in there. And then, yeah, I just kind of organized it. The rest of the cleaning stuff is actually upstairs, so this is like just enough to be down here. I probably could downsize more, but I love having the options. Oops. Okay, so this is just some random stuff, like our home chef recipes that we kept, light bulbs, scale. So that's really downsized because that was a lot of junk. And then in here, I just kept the utensils that we'll need. And also I need to get new silverware. Obviously, we don't have a lot. And this drawer looks almost the same because I didn't really get rid of too much stuff. And then this is our barbecue grill stuff that we just keep in here now. This one's really, really messy. I feel like we did a great job with this. Just kind of organizing some things. You know, the cutting board, strainer. Here's like some other strainers that are really awesome. I got these from Amazon. So yeah, just like random things that you need for the kitchen are in there. So this is what the pots and pans look like. I absolutely love how organized it is right now. And I got rid of quite a few things. So I'm really excited about this, and I just love how almost everything is matching because I got a new set for Christmas, or I don't know if it was for Christmas, but I got a new set last year, and it just looks really nice, so I love that, and we don't need too much. So down in here is all of our appliances, like the, what is that? Oh, our juicer. I got rid of the other blender because I already have the NutriBullet, some mixers, tea kettles, strainers, some pans, and the crock pot. So these things will all be here. I didn't do too much of a difference. I mean, we really organized it and got rid of some things. But this is basically like the spring stuff that will go up here in a few weeks. And then just like some plates and dishes that couldn't fit in the other cupboard. This box is actually a bunch of refills of the Simple Human soap that my sister-in-law gave me. We have so much because she used to work there. So in here, it's not too much of a difference. I went ahead and kept that stuff up there. And then these are just some glass cookware that I kept. And then I got rid of a couple of things. And then over here is like our activities cupboard. You guys probably have seen a video, or I know I did a video on it last summer. But it just has like arts and crafts, games, board games, some random things for outside, like, you know, bubbles and things like that. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this Declutter with me video and got some kind of inspiration from it. If you did get some inspiration, give me a thumbs up and also consider subscribing if you're new to my channel. I would love to have you. And I'm pooped, so I'm gonna go relax with my family, make some dinner, do all that good stuff. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.